how to get Microsoft Rewards points fast. If you're a fan of Xbox or just love using Microsoft services, you've probably heard of Microsoft Rewards. But did you know there are super fast ways to rack up these points and earn awesome rewards? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Use Microsoft Edge and Bing for search. Every time you search with Bing while using Microsoft Edge, you earn points. It's super easy and it adds up fast. Just make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. You can earn up to 150 points per day just by doing your usual web searches. Step 2. Complete daily set task. Microsoft Rewards gives you a new set of tasks every day. This could be the things like taking quizzes, making searches, or completing challenges. Doing this task will earn you bonus points and they just take a few minutes. Make sure to do this every single day for maximum points, and remember, even small tasks add up fast. Step 3. Use Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold. If you're an Xbox gamer, you're in luck. Every month, you can earn bonus points just by being an Xbox Game Pass or Xbox Live Gold member. You can even get extra points for completing specific challenges in games. Not only are you getting access to hundreds of games, but you're also earning Microsoft Rewards points for every hour you play. And that's it. These are the best ways to earn Microsoft Rewards points fast.